Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial tool for project success, that is the risk register. But before that, let me share my screen and let's start with that. What is the risk register? Whether you're a project manager, you're a developer, or just curious about the project management, understanding risk register is essential. Let's get started. A risk register is a document that contains all identified risks, their potential impacts, possibility, priority, probability, response plans, and assigned owners. It is a living document constantly updated throughout the project lifecycle. Why we use a risk register? Simple. It helps you proactively identify and manage potential problems before they derail your project. It provides a structured approach to risk management, improving communication, and increasing the chances of project success. Let's break down the key components. A clear and concise description of the project is a risk description. And then we have probability, that is likelihood of occurring the project risk. And then we have impact, risk score, risk response, owner, and status. Whereas you can count risk score as risk score equal to probability into impact. Now let's talk about different type of risks. There are technical risks, scheduled risks, cost risks, resource risks, market risks, and legal risks. Once you've identified your risks, you need a plan of action. Here are the common risk responses. First one is avoid, second is mitigate, transfer, and accept. In avoid, you eliminate risk altogether, for example, by changing the project scope or choosing a different technology. In mitigate, you reduce the probability or impact of that risk, for instance, by providing training to developers or implementing backup systems. To transfer, you shift the risk to a third party, such as through insurance or outsourcing. In accept, you acknowledge the risk and make no active attempt to manage it. This usually is done for low priority risks. How do you use a risk register in different software development methodologies? In waterfall, risks are identified and documented upfront, and the register is used throughout the project. In Agile, risks are identified and addressed in each sprint. The risk register is often simpler and focuses on immediate risk. Regular sprint retrospectives also help identify and address emerging risks. Benefits of using a risk register are numerous. For example, you can improve decision making by understanding potential risks and you can make informed decisions. Increased project success. Proactive risk management increases the likelihood of achieving project objectives. You can do better communication with the stakeholders. You can enhance the control of the project. How to use a risk register effectively? You should regularly review and update it. You should involve all the stakeholders. You should prioritize tasks, assign clear ownership, and use a consistent format. You can use various tools to create and manage your risk registers, from simple spreadsheet to dedicated project management softwares like Jira, Asana, Microsoft Projects, and many others. I have used Confluence to create a risk register. In my risk register, you can see likelihood that is very high, high, medium, low, and very low. And then we have risk rating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How I have kept a risk register actual form is that I have created risk ID, I have created status, overall status, and then description. We have likelihood, impact, risk rating, status, date accessed. And then we have, again, the status, assignee, resolution date, what was the actual risk, and what are the action plans. And I have like multiple risks managed here. with the risk register, and I can like tag my user stories for that specific risks as well. There are many people out there titling risk registers in many format. Like someone say it's a risk register, someone say it is a raid log, someone say it is just a risk trigger. So you can use many titles for this, but the ultimate usage of risk register is what I have already briefed you. Thank you so much for watching this one. I'll see you in the next one.